In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update or add your article in Google Scholar. First, open your web browser and go to Google Scholar. You can simply search for Google Scholar and click on the first result. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use for your scholarly profile. You'll see a Sign In button in the top right corner if you're not already logged in. After signing in, look for the My Profile link at the top of the page. If you haven't created a profile yet, Google Scholar will prompt you to set one up by entering your name, affiliation, and areas of interest. Take a moment to fill these out clearly and accurately, since this information helps others identify your work. When that's done, you'll be taken to your Google Scholar profile page. From your profile, you can start adding or updating your articles. At the top of the list, you'll see a plus icon or an add option. Click that, and you'll get a few choices for how to add your work. The most common option is to add articles by searching. This lets Google Scholar search for articles that match your name and fields. A list of possible publications will appear. Carefully go through the list and tick the box next to each article that actually belongs to you. When you're done selecting, click Add to include them in your profile. If your article doesn't appear in that list, don't worry. Go back to the same Add menu and choose Add Article manually. Here you'll see a form where you can type in all the details yourself. The title of the article, the authors, the journal or conference name, the year of publication, the volume, issue, pages, and any other relevant information. The more accurate and complete this is, the easier it will be for others to find and cite your work. When you've filled in the details, click Save, and the article will be added to your profile. To update an existing article, simply find it in your profile list. Click on the title, and then look for the Edit option. You can correct things like the title formatting, co-author names, or publication details. After making your changes, remember to save. Finally, review your profile as a whole. Make sure all your key articles are listed, your name and affiliation are correct, and there are no duplicates. Keeping your Google Scholar profile up to date helps increase the visibility of your research and makes it easier for others to follow your work over time.